Hey guys. Yeah, this is the first episode of, I wanted to do kind of a news show, kind of a news for men. I don't know if you guys like it. I can make it like a weekly thing or whatever. And I'll just do news stories that are good news for one. I don't want anything bad on the man blog. And a lot of what they show us on TV news and all that seems to be all bad news. So I want to keep things drama-free and laid back and relaxing on the man blog. I want the man blog to be a place where guys can come and watch videos and chill out and not deal with life's drama. We deal with that too much on a daily basis anyway. So anyway, like I said, if you guys like this, I'll go ahead and do it, once a week or once every couple weeks or whatever. I'll do a periodic news for men. And I know I joke around a lot and stuff like that, but this is the one time I will be serious, is showing you guys some cool news stories from around the world, things that appeal to men. But anyway, let me know in the comments what you think. News for men. All the news that is the news, as long as it's good news, because that's all men really want to hear anyway. And remember, you heard it here first, unless you've already heard it before. Then just tell everyone you heard it here first. Earlier this month at the LA Auto Show, Chevrolet unveiled its concept, the ZR2 Colorado. This is a sharp looking truck, guys. Check this thing out. Yeah, that thing is cool. Put me down for a buyer of one of those. Unless, of course, it's one of them deals where it's about $20,000 over and above the cost of the new truck. Speaking of sharp trucks, check this one out. I'm sure y'all are familiar with Ford's new for 2015 F-150. The 700-pound lighter, up to 29% more fuel efficient, made of military-grade aluminum. Anyway, I don't know. I've kind of got mixed emotions on the aluminum body. We'll see how they work out. But anyway, the first owner in the United States to get one of those received his right before Thanksgiving. San Antonio resident Tim Kingsbury, who's an avid hunter, retired high school football coach, and he's the father of Texas Tech Red Raiders football coach Cliff Kingsbury. A man blog salute and a congratulations goes out to Mr. Kingsbury. I hope he enjoys his truck. It's sharp. Good looking truck. And check this one out. From November 24th to the 26th in Dubai at the Autodrome, the Automobili Lamborghini held its first driving academy in the Middle East. The Lamborghini Academia, a one-day track driving course organized by Lamborghini's in-house Squadra Course Motorsport department. During the 3-day event, after comprehensive instruction exercises given by a team of Italian pro drivers, Guests got to spend more than 4 hours driving Lamborghini's brand new V12 and V10 models. How's that for a vacation? The catch? Only 20 people were invited. 20 current Lamborghini owners, that is. And meanwhile in Vegas, the Las Vegas Convention Center hosted this year's SEMA Auto Show, where Jimmie Johnson rolled up in his brand new 71 Chevrolet Corvette, outfitted with a Chevrolet Crate LT1 all-aluminum engine. Very sharp car. But anyway, here's some other scenes from this year's SEMA show.
An improving economy and moderate gas prices mean business is good for the $33 billion automotive aftermarket and customization industry. Celebrating at the Specialty Equipment Marketers Association convention brought out some big stars.
By all means, if you love cars, I mean, this is the place to be. There's everything from top to bottom that you could ever need, and then it's even cooler to come to this kind of thing for a Chevy exhibit where you can actually ride in a car with someone that races cars.
And since we're in Vegas, I'm going to leave you with some footage from the new fountain at Wynn's in Vegas. Really cool looking deal, and being as that I work in maintenance, I know exactly what it takes to maintain these fountains. Whole lot of water, whole lot of pumps, whole lot of compressed air, and a whole lot of valves. But anyway, I hope y'all have a good one, and we'll talk to you later.